Hi, my name is Carol Leone, and I'm a professor of piano at SMU's Meadows School of the Arts in Dallas. At our school, we've been using Donison Steinbuehler keyboards since September of 2000. I regularly use both alternate sizes in both performance and recordings, and many of my students also practice and perform on these keyboards. One of the questions asked most often is that of how one adapts to the keyboard sizes and the possibility of being able to switch back and forth from one to the other. So I thought I'd begin to answer that question for you by demonstrating an excerpt from a piece by Schubert, first on the conventional keyboard, and then immediately switching to the DS 6.0 keyboard. Okay, so you probably noticed that I use less motion and effort to perform on the narrower keyboard. And the Donison Steinbuehler 5.5 keyboard allows even more ease and comfort while playing large chords and octaves. I regularly play all three sizes in my practicing and teaching, and I find no difficulty adjusting immediately. Of course, there is repertoire that is simply too stretchy and uncomfortable for me to play on the conventional keyboard. But the alternate keyboards allow me to play any repertoire normally reserved for a large hand span. Over the years, I've taught dozens of students who have used the keyboards and haven't yet encountered one who did not easily adjust to moving from one keyboard to the other. For a pianist who's trying the keyboards for the very first time ever, they generally adjust in under an hour. And no worries, you won't forget how to play the conventional keyboard.